going to show these on Desmos, so I'm going to plot these 2 points for number 1. Alright, and then I could count this from here to here. So I'm going down 1, 2, 3, to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Down 3, over 9, that would simplify to negative 1/3.
Wow.
We're supposed to draw a graph.
You're supposed to use Desmos for as many as possible.
Oh.
You will have Desmos on the SOL, so you need to be knowing Desmos like the back of your hand. There is, but that's not the question.
It's just.
We just need to find the slope. For the slope of the line, let me write it down.
Wait, what is he doing?
For the slope of the line, whose equation is y equals 3, you could use Desmos for that. It's not a necessary thing, but if you did type it in, you would see that there's a horizontal line. There is no rise, so your slope would be 0.
Yeah, wait, what was that? That was not.
And then for number 3, you're given a graph, so you just need to find 2 points on it that crosses grid lines exactly. I want to say this. When I made this, it was a little off. I want to say it was supposed to be 2. So if you made it 2, great. If you made it a little off, that's fine also.
What's it called? SOL SAT?
SAT is for colleges. SOL is a high school graduation requirement for Virginia. And they're possibly thinking about doing that. Okay, so for the remainder of class, let me talk about this really fast. So I gave you a packet of all SOL things. What we're going to do is you will have a section or a couple sections to do, and you'll have a week to do them. So I'm giving it to you today. We're going to go over it Monday or Tuesday of next week. Not all of it, just this section that I'm about to tell you. You can use each other, you can use your notes, you can use Desmos. You just need to get the answers. Try to use whatever you can, mostly Desmos. And then I'll be writing them in my folder to see who is doing them, who is not, and then we'll go over any in Desmos. Mostly in Desmos, but some of them will be algebraically. So the ones that will be due next week are...
It's going to start next week or this week?
So it's due next week. So it starts today. So all of SOL A1, there are 17 problems. All of SOL A1 is due next Monday or Tuesday. Most likely Monday. It'll most likely be Mondays for you guys, but I'm not 100% on that. If you want to do more, that's great. So during your flex day, if you have nothing else to do, that could be one of them. You also need to be working on retake work, which I'll be passing out tests here in a moment. Those that need to finish tests, I'll separate you so you can do that. Dust math, many of you are still missing those, so be working on that. There weren't any due on Friday, but you do still have some missing. And then some of you started to grab activities, you could still be working on those so that you could grab those. Questions on what we are doing today? Hold on to your SharpWrite answer sheet. For number 1, make sure you use Desmos, because that would be your work.